Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have an AliExpress haul. Trying to be careful. I'm usually not. I'm kind of a train wreck. Oh, this is not AliExpress. I got this on eBay. Darren, can you pan up or not? I am setting up a scene with American Girls and sled dogs. And Darren and I used to race sled dogs, and if you think people are cruel to their animals in that sport, you are so wrong. You've obviously never been to a sled dog race where people are fussing and the dogs are sitting in the car and eating basically caviar. You can't push a rope, and dogs love to run. Anyway, back when we were racing, what, 80s and 90s, huh?
Yep.
2000s.
Early 2000s,
Yeah.
yeah.
This is what a lot of the women racers wore. They called them anoraks.
Yep, anoraks, yeah.
Anoraks. And this goes on over their head. I didn't like them because it went on over the head like a hoodie. This one has a zipper, which is really cute. And then you cinch this down really tight. This goes down past your hips. Love that. Bought it for one of my dolls to join the other two up on top of our 8-foot shelves in the studio where we do lives on Thursday night at 6 p.m. Central. When you get a package from AliExpress, check and double check every corner, because sometimes your small stuff will be in that corner. We have actually thrown stuff away and not known it till it was too late. Okay, a bag and a bag and a bag, and I'm trying to be careful because I got some cool stuff. Most of this is doll stuff. All of it is hobby stuff. Oh, this is for my new little potato dolls. I got shoes. I've heard these shoes don't fit very well, but I have some little porcelain doll shoes that really fit them perfect. I wanted this mostly for the pattern. I'm going to make a pattern out of this. Darren, watch my head. Mm-hmm. So that's real cute. Let's see what else I did get. I think I got 2 outfits for potato dolls so I could start making patterns. I'm doing a collab. I think it's December 21st. Those are for my 6-inch American Girl dolls. December 21st, if you have a potato doll, these are really cute. That seems tight. I mean, it'll fit a Blythe, but that seems tight. And then there's this little dress. These are really cute. I like to just have these on hand. If I give a 6-inch for a gift, I just put these on. Isn't that cute? That's really cute on Julie with her blonde hair. Real cute. All right, let me keep this moving because I'm getting kind of slow because I'm starting to play. December 21st. I'll get it out, don't worry. Dressing the potato dolls up like Charlie Brown characters. I bought this one. These dolls are new to me. I saw them on other channels and I thought, God, those are really cute. So I went back. They have this one. She's heavy. She's pretty hefty here. Look at that. She comes with shoes, Darren. Woohoo, shoes. And she's supposed to sing.
Probably needs a battery or...
I don't know. I'll have you look at that. She doesn't sing yet, but she is also, which I really like, articulated. How cute is that? Paid like less than $7 for this doll. Let's pull this off her hair. How cute is she? And I love this rose gold hair color. Love that. Oh, she's a cutie. She's a real cutie, and she's got little undercrackers. That's what J Dolls UK calls those. Undercrackers. I'm going to put her back in that after you check her. Let's see. This, that's already been gotten. All right, let's see what else. Keep it moving, keep it moving. People want to be entertained. Double check. Always double check those corners, everything. Boy, that's a cute little doll. I really like her. I like that rose gold a lot. Oh. I don't want to get demonetized. How cute is that? The little potato song. All right, there you go. So if you like that, they are on AliExpress. I don't leave links. AliExpress doesn't pay me, so I'm not going to leave links for them. Okay, nothing else in there.
And the sellers change all the time.
And the
on
sellers do
deals
change, and the prices, and the whole bit. If you just search Potato Doll, you'll get that and much more. Oh, Tina at Tina's Reborns and More. Oh, that's kind of messed up. That's really kind of messed up there. We'll have to see. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. And it's, oh boy, Velcro crooked. Tina at Tina's Reborns and More bought this sweater and contacted me and said, hey, would you like to buy one of these sweaters, and then we'll twin our American Girl dolls. That's really a tuck in there. That's got to be straightened out. But isn't that cute? And they sell these on the American Girl, it does not have a tag in it, American Girl website. And this came with little jeans. Okay, that's really cute. So watch for Tina and I at some point doing some twinnings. Tina and I do a lot of collabs together. These little red shoes are for my Sasha boys or my 1/3 24-inch Smart Dolls. Love those, like to have extras. I went looking for a pair of red the other day to match for a collab that I do with some lovely ladies. Oh, I know what this is. And couldn't find red, could not find red. Finally found one pair, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna order more. All right, this is from, I need t-shirts. I don't have any t-shirts. I don't look good in a t-shirt. I got those old lady arms, but they're cooler. This is a very cool wicking fabric. And I got this, oh, I love my guinea pigs. We recently got 2 more guinea pigs, believe it or not. Uh-oh. You know what? I'm not going to do that while you're waiting to see what else I got. Oh, that's cute. I'll wear that Saturday. We're going to an animal auction on Saturday. Oh, these are 18-inch doll sized t-shirts. When I was looking for the red shoes, I had trouble finding a red t-shirt, so I went and ordered more. This is, oh, that came in pretty decent shape for no box. This is a hay holder for a guinea pig cage. Okay, this is, what you do is you pull this apart, you fill it with hay, and you hang it in their cage, and then they eat hay out of that. Actually, guinea pigs need more, and this is a water bottle for rabbits and or guinea pigs. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I've gotten back into animals, and you know what? I'm loving it. I go outside every day because of my animals to care for them. I mean, I was going out with my horse and dogs, but now I'm out there longer, and I love it. Good for me. Okay, I got another one. This is not as pink as I thought. Kind of a weird pink, but let's open it up. I need t-shirts. I need t-shirts. What is that? How cute is that? That looks like Damsel, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. I had a little guinea pig named Damsel. She did tricks and agility. Oh, she was so cute. And she was just... She was funny, just a sweetheart. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I hope you enjoyed our AliExpress haul. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and if you have a potato doll and you'd like to participate in the December collab, dressing your potato dolls like Charlie Brown characters from the Christmas program, well, any. Doesn't matter. You can do Great Pumpkin. I don't care. And it doesn't have to be a character already established. You can dress them like a Charlie Brown character if they have pink hair.